Today, we're going to learn 100 of the most common verbs in English. Daily routine verbs. Wake up. I wake up at 7 a.m. Brush. She brushes her teeth. Wash. We wash our hands before eating. Take. He takes a shower in the morning. Eat. I eat breakfast. Drink. I drink water. Make. He makes his bed every morning. Go. I go to school on foot. Come. She comes home after doing exercise. Leave. She leaves for work at 8 a.m. Action verbs, movement. Walk. I walk to the shop. Run. He runs in the park. Jump. The children jump on the trampoline. Swim. He swims in the pool. Drive. My dad drives to work. Ride. I ride my bike to the park. Fly. The bird flies. Climb. She climbs on a climbing wall. Sit. He sits on a chair. Stand. He stands near the door. Communication verbs, talking and listening. Say. She says hello to her friends. Talk. We talk every day. Speak. He speaks at the conference. Listen. I listen to music while studying. Ask. She asks a lot of questions. Answer. He answers the teacher's question. Tell. He tells a funny story to her. Phone. He phones his son every evening. Shout. He shouts at the football match. Thinking and feeling verbs. Think. I think it is a great idea. Know. He knows the answer. Forget. I always forget my keys. Remember. I can't remember their names. Love. They love each other. Like. I like learning English. Hate. They hate each other. Hope. She hopes to travel next year. Want. He wants to have dinner. Look. Look at the sky. Smile. He smiles at his friend. Work and study verbs. Study. I study English every day. Learn. They learn things every day. Teach. She teaches English at school. Work. He works at a company. Earn. I earn money from my job. Help. John helps Tom to stand up. Read. They read books before bed. Write. He writes every day. Spell. Can you spell this word correctly? Count. She counts from 1 to 10. Well done. You've learned 50 common verbs. Please watch the Part B video to learn the rest of the verbs. Like this video. Comment below. Download the worksheet. And subscribe for more lessons.